If you are really serious about upgrading your game, Technique Expert is for you. If you want to improve your weight balance, if you want to improve your aiming, if you want to improve your cueing, if you want to improve your delivery, if you want to improve your potting, Technique Expert is for you. It has covered all the aspects of the game and it is kind of a self-doctor. So what you can do is you can just get this one with the predetermined line of aim and you can start working on your cueing, then you can start working on your hitting. Then once you're done with it, then start hitting on the potting. You can do potting on yellow, green, brown, blue, pink, black, one by one. And once it's done, increase the distance and then you can start potting long pots. So it's all about cueing and hitting the ball in the center in the correct position we are intending to. And the extreme part of it is you can even pot angle balls, and the most important part is the angle recognition. So with this one you can pot angle balls, you can understand the thin or thickness of the shot, so that will give you an idea of angle potting. So with the long pot, with your cueing, with aiming, with your weight balance, this is the tool for you. So send me a WhatsApp message and we are delivering it all over the world. Wherever you are living, this is for you. So you can order your own Technique Expert delivered all over the world. Just send us a WhatsApp message and we'll get back to you. We have also added technology to the snooker, and you can use laser guide to correct your long pots and your angle recognition. How this will work, the videos are available on my YouTube channel with the AQ Snooker Technique Expert Master Coach class. So order it now.